Reports to the clients are definitely linked to who the stakeholders are and what decisions or actions they will take. There's typically not a single report for a project. Typically, there will be a technical report for my closest stakeholders and clients that would allow them to replicate the work that I did in detail. And that may have one reader, may have two readers, it may have few readers, but it's really important for me in my practice that I'm following best practice in documenting a research in the way that you would a research methodology so that somebody else can confirm the actions that you took or the steps that you took. Then there will often be other types of reports for other stakeholders, and those often take a completely different format. So you want to present to, say, your end user stakeholder audience in the brain-friendly kinds of communication techniques we would use as designers. So I might use a presentation with lots of visuals and sensitive to the terminology that's appealing to them. And again, the message would be created based on their stake in the project and their needs. And so different audiences, the reports would meet the needs of different audiences. It's very important to get away from a one-size-fits-all concept about reporting. So when I'm at the beginning of a project, I always find out who would be the users of this project, who's influenced by the users. If it's a training program, does it have secondary uses? Is this group the first going through it and others will follow? Do we need to gather testimonials? Do we need to tell other people about how this works? Is that part of a change management piece? You need to think about the business decision makers. What do they need to see? Do we have data on leading indicators to show them? Do we have data on lagging indicators? You know, sometimes you're gone for a year before some of those data are available. But it's in terms of the reports, there's always a technical report that I create. And then there are typically at least one other report that could be written or in presentation form that works for different stakeholding audiences.